Hey there, my name is Steven, and today I'll be taking a look at the Monster Blaster 3.0 portable Bluetooth speaker for the Best Buy blog, with the Monster Blaster 3.0 being a reimagining of the concept of a portable boombox by Monster, providing both power and versatility that make it great for both indoor and outdoor use, seeing how the 3.0 stacks up against Monster's claims by comparing its performance and features to see if this could be the right value to fit your lifestyle. Starting with the unboxing of the Monster Blaster 3.0 wireless Bluetooth speaker, we have the speaker itself here, which is quite large in size. You can see my hand there in comparison. It's a very nice, hefty speaker, very heavy, feeling very quite durable there. And it does have a waterproof design as well, so you don't have to worry about getting wet in the rain. And with what's included in it, you have the manual here, which is also very detailed. I quite enjoy that about it. It has everything you need, very simple, easy to follow without a bunch of text kind of distracting you or getting in the way of what you need to know from the device. How to pair it and how to set everything up. Languages for multiple different kinds there. Everything that you'd possibly need. I have the charger there as well. It comes with the regular power cable that goes into an outlet there that I have plugged in, and then the adapter that goes into the device itself. As you can see when it's actually plugged in and able to charge with the green light showing there. Underneath you can see some more information on the charger, and this just goes straight into the device. Well, the last piece of this unboxing is actually this nice sticker packet they included. While it's not the most necessary addition, I do always appreciate it when they throw these in, being able to advertise your device on either by placing the stickers on the speaker itself or any of the devices that need any spicing up. Overall, I do feel like the inclusions in this box are very straightforward, simple, but just enough and high quality to feel like you're getting enough value out of your device and being able to set it up easily right away. Now, getting into the ports of the Monster Blaster 3.0, if you pull back the silicone part, you can see all the different ones there, charging the power cable straight into the little port at the bottom there. You have a USB as well as a mic in and mic out. And the silicone pad, while it doesn't completely cover it while it's charging, you'll be inside when you're using it and charging it, so it's not too much of a worry. And when you unplug it, you can pull it right back in, allowing you to protect anything from getting inside of it from dirt or rainwater, which adds to the waterproofing of it, although it isn't completely submersible proof. And overall, it just protects your device and keeps it very safe, especially in the parts that matter the most. Now, getting into the actual features of the Monster 3 Portable, if you just rotate the device here, you can see the main control panel on the side there, starting off with the center button, allowing you to turn on the device and activate some more of the pairing modes, as well as the mode option on the top there that allows you to primarily swap between the indoor and outdoor EQ modes, as well as the standard volume up and down options. And if you just hold in the center button, it will power on your device, hearing that nice little bass guitar riff letting you know that it's powered on and ready to go, as well as a second one if your device is already paired or just has been paired with the device, letting you know that the audio is currently synced to your device. It also has a nice LED panel there that shows you the current charging level, as well as if the USB or the power cable is on. And the backside does also have an NFC reader on it, so you're able to just quickly tap it with any compatible device. And when your device needs to be paired still, it will be searching for one, making guitar riffs every few seconds, just letting you that it is still searching and hasn't found it just yet. Now, it does have 3 modes there. Volume just lets you know that it is currently on and being able to play sound. And then it has an indoor and an outdoor mode. So you go here to change the mode, and now it is currently in the indoor mode, which means the audio will sound more clear, more direct, and it won't be as reflective with lower bass. Whereas if you change it into the outdoor mode there, as you can see, which is 2 button presses, it has more of a wide sound, being able to have your audio kind of bounce off and reflect more with the deeper basses, and overall spreading your sound out farther at the loss of some slight clarity. While the mode option can only be used to change these settings, my only complaint is that you can't actually change it by pressing the button here. I would appreciate if you could skip songs, pause, or play things using this little button there, but it's more meant as a mobile party speaker. As you can hear, change the device directly on the speaker versus on your phone, which is a feature that I do appreciate. And overall, I was fairly impressed with the build quality of this device. It not only sounds amazing, but the actual physical device itself is very sturdy and durable, especially with that waterproof design. It's not completely submergible, as I mentioned. It only protects against some streams of water and splashes, which is still more than enough if you ever get caught out in the rain or any accidental spills might happen, especially with this nice mesh cover that can be removed, which covers up the very impressive 7 directional speakers with pure dynamic range. Now, when it comes to the Monster Blaster 3.0, the audio quality and overall volume is definitely its strongest selling point. While Most apps can allow you to customize the EQ from your phone. Being able to do it on the side of the device is especially handy for when you're taking it out from inside and outdoors without having to fiddle around on your smartphone, just being able to quickly press a button and access different types of audio for different environments. Again, when I was using it outside, it was great for having amazing range, being able to hear it from all the way across rooms or across yards, at high quality audio with good volume, and a consistent sound wherever you went. And the indoor mode was better for more personal spaces, not having highs that are too much to kind of shake the ground a little bit, although when I was using the outdoor mode at the higher bass, it did shake what it was standing on, so I'd be sure to have a steady surface to put it on when you're using it on the higher bass levels. And unfortunately, the waterproofing does fall behind the IXP7 or even the IXP6 waterproofing, only offering temporary protection as opposed to being fully submersible or being used in long periods for any environment. And while it's great as a Bluetooth portable speaker, that's not all the Monster Blaster has to offer. With both a mic in and an auxiliary out, allowing you to connect to your device via a aux cable of any kind so you can play without having to worry about connecting to Bluetooth. You can also connect a microphone into it, using it as a portable megaphone of sorts, being great for parties or announcements of any kind, as well as even a USB charging cable that allows you to plug in your phone or any other mobile devices to charge them on the go using this speaker's power unit. And while it does have a bit of a shorter batteries for this size speaker, especially if you factor in charging other devices like your phone with it, it's still more than enough than what most people would need in a day, being able to support a battery of up to 12 hours on the go. And overall, for the versatility of this device, it was extremely useful in every situation. I even had trouble with my car radio at one point, and I wasn't able to listen to music on the go, making for a very boring car ride, but I threw this in the back seat, turned it on to the outdoor mode for the extra bass, and it served me well with excellent audio quality throughout my entire car, and all from being able to connect with Bluetooth on my phone. Overall, looking back on the device, I do believe it stacks up to Monster's claims of redefining the genre of portable boomboxes, offering a combination of excellent audio quality with their 7 bi-directional range of speakers, combined with an excellent array of features and ports for you to use it in any kind of situation, as well as some water protection to make sure your device doesn't get damaged when you're outdoors. If you did want to learn more about this device, you can do so on the Best Buy blog with my further review, or you can find more of Monster's other products and speakers over on the Best Buy store.